Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of super keyword in Java. Suppose consider a Java code here. This is a class called base. In this class, I am considering a function called base. It just prints a statement. This is a base class. Of course, we can guess that which has same name with a class name. It is a constructor. Consider another class name derived, and I am considering another function called derived. Here derived also a constructor. Of course, both the constructors are not having any parameters, and there is a inheritance relation between these two classes. And I am considering a main class, the name is demo, and I am considering a object for the derived class. Now the output is whenever we create object for the derived class, it will move to the derived class, and which is extended from the base class, so it will again move to the base class. So first this is a base class will be printed, and then this is a derived class will be printed. This is the normal scenario where in this entire program we does not supposed to have any super keyword. There is no importance of super keyword in this particular program, since we are using a constructor which is a default constructor and which does not having any parameters also. Suppose if you consider a program like this, the class called base and the constructor called base, which is having a parameter called a. So it is nothing but a parameterized constructor, and x value is a, and I am declaring a value of x here, integer, which is an integer, and another class called derived, which extends base. That means that there is a inheritance relation between these two classes. This class consists of a variable called y, and this class consists of a constructor called derived, and with two parameters a and b. Now here there is a need of super keyword. Here super of a means what? You have to consider a value from the base class. This means this particular statement I am repeating, super of a means that we have to consider this a value from the base class, and anyhow y is equal to b, in the sense y value have to consider from the particular current class. And just to print the numerical numerical value between uh, two variables, I am considering the another function called display, and just printing system.out.println x plus y, right? That means uh, what will happen? Now consider here. If you consider a main class called demo, and here I am creating a object for the derived class obj, and derived of 10 and 20. What will happen if you consider derived of 10 and 20? 10 will move to the a, 20 will move to the b, right? Then super of a and y value is will be b, right? What is super of a? A will be moved to the x, so x will be a 10, y will be a 20, and obj dot display, that means uh, display of what? Display function will be called. That means x plus y means 30, 30 will be displayed. So the memory organization will be like this. Whenever we are creating an object, then memory will be allocated here. memory will be allocated here, and x value is 10, y value is 20, and void displays. Void, dis, void display will be called, and we will print a function call, we will print a value of x plus y. Right? This is the situation where the super keyword has a main role, but if you consider the program like this, here the super keyword is not required. Now we can able to understand super is a keyword in Java. It will always be used in the subclass, and of course super keyword will be used in the inheritance scenario. And the main need of super keyword is the variables or constructors or the methods which are in a base class can be derived, used in a derived class. We can use a super keyword. Thank you for watching.